IP address, introduction to IP address, and how to find out the IP address. What is an IP address? An IP address is a unique string of numbers that identifies a computer or server on the internet. The address can be used for special functions such as remotely accessing your computer. To find your IP address, try one of the following methods. IP address are binary numbers, but they are usually stored in a text files and displayed in human-readable notations such as 172.16.254.1 for version 4 and 2001 DB8 colon 0 colon 1234 colon 0 colon 567 colon 8 colon 1 for version 6. The Internet Assigned Numbers Authority or IANA manages the IP addresses space allocations globally and delegates 5 regional Internet registries to allocate IP addresses blocks to local Internet registries, which is Internet Service Providers and other entities. There are two versions of IP addresses. One is IPv4 addresses. In IPv4, an address consists of 32-bit, which limits the address space to 2 raised to 32 possible unique addresses. IPv6 addresses. The address size is increased from 32-bit to 128 bits or 16 octals. This, even with a generous assignment of network blocks, is deemed sufficient for the foreseeable future. Mathematically, the new address space provides the potential for maximum 2 power 128 or about 3.403 into 10 power 38 unique addresses, which is way more than our expectations. Now, how to find your IP address? The Windows method. Go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, and open Command Prompt. Alternatively, go to Start, Run, and type CMD and press OK. Alternatively, press the Window key and R key together and type CMD, press OK. All of these three will open up the command prompt. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig or ipconfig and press enter. This will bring up IP addresses, DNS addresses, and other information about your internet connection. The Google method, which is way more easy and user-friendly comparing with the Windows method. Connect to your internet, go to google.com and do a search of my IP. Your IP address will be displayed above the search results. Isn't that easy?